Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start your seventh chapter, The Last Leaf, from your book Moments. So, this is your seventh chapter, The Last Leaf, and this is a story about two friends, that is Johnsy and Sui. And one of them, that is Johnsy, falls ill one time, and she was lost all her hopes. You can say, she was like that I am going to be die now. Then how she regains her confidence and how she regains his life. So this is the story about that. So the beginning is given that it is autumn, that it was the autumn season. So the wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So why that last leaf? The name of the story is also last leaf, that they are talking about that it was a autumn season and the winds were blowing, but even then there is one leaf left on an ivy creeper. Ivy creeper means to say एक वेन है, किस चीज़ की? आइवी लीव्स वाली वेन है, तो उसके ऊपर जो वन लीफ है, वो लास्ट लीफ है, वो नहीं मतलब वो गिरा नहीं. वाई? So let us explore by reading this story now. So Zoe and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So there were two friends, that is Zoe and Johnsy, and they were young artists, means to say they used to paint. They were painters. Artists were they both were artists, and they were living in a flat which is at the situated at the third story of an old house. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. So one of them, that is Johnsy, fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. So check the spellings of pneumonia, students. P is silent here. So she would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Gazing means to say looking. So she keeps on laying on her bed and she was looking out of the window for the whole day. Sui, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor, means one of Johnson's friend Sui. She was very worried and she called the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnson's condition. Doctor came daily, but even then Johnson's condition was not improving. One day, doctor took Sui aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" So one day, what happened? Doctor took the Sui aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" "No," replied Sui. "But why do you ask?" The doctor said, "Johnsy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her." So now doctor is telling Sui that I feel like that Johnsy is not you can say Johnsy is not want to live anymore. She want to die. So that is why medicines are also not working, and she had made her mind like she will not get well now. That is why medicines are not working on her. So it tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes and fashion, but Johnsy did not respond. So after listening that, Sui tried her best to you can say to develop the interest of Johnsy in the life. She showed her new dresses and about she told her about new fashion, etc. But Johnsy didn't respond. Johnsy continued to lie still her on her bed. So he brought her drawing board into Johnson's room and started painting. So then Sui brought her drawing you can say board into Johnson's room and started painting over there to take Johnson's mind off her illness. She whistled while working. So because she want to distract the Johnsy from the negative thoughts, so that's why she started painting in her room, and also while painting she was whistling, so that she may divert the attention of Johnsy. Suddenly, Sui heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backward. So, Johnsy whisper means to say Johnsy said something in a low voice, and Sui go to her bed and you can say she listened her what she is saying. So she was counting backward. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12, and after some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7, and so on. Sui anxiously looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite to their window. So now the Johnsy was counting backward like 12, 11, 10, 9, like this. And when Sui watched out of the window, what is outside? So she came to know that there is an ivy creeper, ek whale, sea which was climbing on the wall. So Johnsy was looking at the leaves of that creeper. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves because of this autumn season. Because of the strong winds, the vein, or the, you can say, that creeper was shedding its leaves. What is it, dear? So he asked. So now so he asked from Johnsy that why are you counting like this? 6, whispered Johnsy. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. So now Johnsy whispered like there are 6 leaves now, and she said that I was watching this wind, or I was watching this creeper, ivy creeper, from so many days, and earlier there were 100 leaves, but now there are only 5 left because of the wind. All the leaves are fallen now. So it is autumn, said Sui, and the leaves will fall. So Sui said, yes, this is autumn season, and that's why leaves are falling. When the last leaf fall, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. I have known this for the last 3 days. So now Johnsy said that when the last leaf will fall, I will also die. So she said that I am noticing now, or I am, you can say, she said that I am sure about this from the last 3 days. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. So now Sui said that what nonsense are you talking of? What is the link of your life with this ivy leaves? And doctor is very confident that you will recover, you will get better. Johnsy did not say anything, so he went and brought her a bowl of soup. So again Johnsy didn't reply her, and so he brought a you can say bowl of soup for her. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I'm not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. Again she refused to take the soup, and she said I am not hungry. So she is saying that now there are only 4 leaves left on that ivy creeper. I want to see the last leaf fall before it gets dark, then I will sleep forever. Now she is saying that by today's evening, I am sure that all the leaves will fall, and then I will sleep forever, means to say I will also die. So he sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her, and said, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain, for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, dear friend, she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. So now Sui said that why are you talking about these things? You are not going to die. And she said that I can't, you can say, uh, close the window or do the curtains of the window, because I have to finish this painting and this is the only source of light. And that is why she said, please my dear, don't think about this and promise me that you will not look out of the window. All right, said Johnsy, finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. I have to die, so let me go away peacefully like the one of those poor tired leaves. So she said that okay, you can finish your painting. I will not look outside the window now, but I am tired of waiting. I have to die now. So I have to watch that last leaf falling, because all the leaves are falling, and like all those tired leaves, I have to die now. Try to sleep, said Sway. I have to paint an old miner. I will call Behrman up to be my model. Now she said that you should at least try to sleep, and she said that I have to paint an old miner. I have to paint the picture of an old person. So that is why I will call Behrman up to be my model. So now who is this Behrman? Behrman was actually an old person who is living at the ground floor. They were living on the third floor of that building, and the Behrman was living on the ground floor of that building, and he was an old person. And that is why, because she want to paint a picture of an old person, so that is why she said that I will call that Behrman, and he will sit here and he will be my model, then I will paint. So she rushed down. Behrman lived on the ground floor, and she came down on that floor. He was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. So now Bergman was also a painter, and he was a 60-year-old person. So his lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Masterpiece means to say the best painting of his life. He want to paint something best, but he didn't achieve that target till now. So he poured out her worries to Bergman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. So she told all the things about Johnsy to Bergman, and she said that Johnsy is very hopeless these days, and she is saying that she will also die when the last leaf fell. Is she stupid? Asked Bergman. How can she be so foolish? Now the Bergman was also upset listening these things, and he said that is she stupid? Why she is thinking like this? Is she is foolish? She is running a high temperature, complained Sui. She refuses to eat or drink, and that worries me a lot. So again, Sui is saying that she's nothing. She is having temperature, means high fever. She is having high fever, and also she is not eating or drinking anything, and that is why I am so much worried. I will come with you and see Johnsy, Bergman said. Now Bergman said that I will come with you to see the Johnsy. They tiptoed into the room. Now they came into that room. Johnsy was sleeping, so he drew the curtain together and they went to the next room. She peeped out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the last leaf or the leaf would fall any minute. Bergman did not say a word. He went back to his room. Now, when they came to that flat, the flat of Sui and Johnsy, Johnsy was actually sleeping. So that is why Sui, you can say, take that Bergman to her room, and she showed through the window that that is the creeper, and the only leaf is left on the creeper, and it is also raining heavily today, and there is a icy cold wind is also blowing. So it seems like she is saying that it is I'm sure that the leaf will fall any minute. कभी भी वो leaf जो last बचा है वो भी कभी भी गिर सकता है. Bergman did not say a word. उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. He went back to his room, and he went back to his room. Johnsy woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, she asked Sui to draw the curtains. Sui was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. So next morning, when Johnsy wake up in a feeble voice, means in a very low voice, she asked from Sui to draw the curtains, and Sui was very, you can say, full of fear, because she was nervous also, because she was also thinking like that the last leaf was fallen. But when she drew the curtains, oh, Sui exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf on the creeper. It looked quite green and healthy. In spite of the storm and the fierce winds, it didn't fall. So now Sui exclaimed with, you can say, with happiness that there, look at that vine, look at that vine, Johnsy, there is one leaf left, and that leaf is very green and healthy. And in spite of the storm, in spite of the heavy winds, or you can say fast wind, it didn't fall. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today, then I will die. Now, yes, Johnsy said, yes, it is not fallen, and I heard the wind also last night. But she said that I thought it would have fallen. I will surely fall. It will surely fall today. Then I will die. So she said that I thought it would have fallen. वो बोल रही है कि मैंने तो सोचा था कि ये अब तक गिर गया होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट शी सेड दैट इट विल श्योरली फॉल टुडे. वो बोल रही है कि आज तो ये पक्का ही गिर जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं मर जाऊंगी. यू वोंट डाई, सेड सुई एनर्जेटिकली. यू हैव टू लिव फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स. what would happen to me if you die? Now Sui is saying that with energy. She is saying that you will not die, and you have to live for your friends. And what will happen to me if you will die? Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. So now Johnsy smiled, you can say very low smiled, and closed her eyes. And after, you can say, sometimes she keep on watching out of the window to check whether the leaf is present or fallen. So in the evening there was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. In the evening time there was another storm. Storm means to say strong wind was blown, but even then the leaf did not fall. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. She called out to Sui. So she was looking, Johnsy was looking, continuously looking at that leaf, and then she called Sui. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly, and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. So now that Johnsy is saying that I am a bad girl, you are looking after me, आप मेरी इतने अच्छे से केयर कर रहे थे, लेकिन even then I haven't cooperated with you, मैं आपको cooperate नहीं कर रही थी. I have been depressed and gloomy, वो बोल रही है कि मैं बहुत डिप्रेशन में चली गई थी. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. वो बोल रही है कि लास्ट लीफ ने मुझे बताया है, लास्ट लीफ ने मुझे ये शो किया कि मैं कितनी मूर्खों वाली बात कर रही थी. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. She said that I have, अब मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हो गया कि मरने की चाहत रखना एक पाप है. Sin means to say crime. So Sui hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. Now Sui hugged Johnsy that it's very good that if you have realized the importance of life, then she gave her a lot of soup and also a mirror, and Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly now. In the afternoon, the doctor came. After examining his patient, he told Sui, Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. So now doctor came, and after examining the Johnsy, he said that I am very much confident now Johnsy will not die, and she is having a desire to live. So she will be recovered after you can say very soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Bharman. How is he is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. So the doctor said that I am going to downstairs to check the another patient, that is Bharman. He was also suffering from pneumonia, and he said that I am afraid of him because he was having no hope of life now. The next morning, Sui came and sat on the Johnsy's bed, taking Johnsy's hand in her hands. She said, I have something to tell you. Now, next morning, what happened to next morning? She came to the room of Johnsy. Sui came to the room of Johnsy, and she said to her that I am going to tell you something. She said, Mr. Bahman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet, and he was shivering. He had been out in that stormy night. So she said that Mr. Bahman was dead now, and why? Because he was suffering from pneumonia, and you can say he was out of his room, or his clothes were wet and shoes were also wet, and he was shivering because he was out for the entire night, for that entire night which was having rain and storm. So then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted near his bed. So they found that there is a ladder in his room, and also lantern was lighting up. So they assumed that painting was painted by Mr. Bahman. That leaf was painted actually by Mr. Bahman. So there were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. Johnsy dear, said Sui, and look out of the window. Look at the ivy leaf. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That's Bahman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. So he now Sui is telling to Johnsy that Mr. Bahman was the person who painted that leaf on the wall on that night. The last leaf was definitely fell on that night because of the storm, but he painted the exactly same leaf on that wall. That is why that leaf is not falling now, and this is the masterpiece of Burman which he always wanted to paint. This is actually the masterpiece that is painted by him. So this is all about your chapter. I hope you enjoyed the story. So we should never lose the hope of living. So this is all about your chapter. So now try to solve your exercise. So thanks for listening and have a nice day.